Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse style home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse style home decor is a warm, nostalgic and timeless decorating style that blends the comfort of rural farmhouse living with charming vintage elements. It is about creating a space that feels cozy, lived in, and filled with character, like a beloved old country home that tells a story through even paint or furniture and decor. Vintage farmhouse style combines farmhouse comfort, like natural materials, handmade items, and a relaxed, welcoming feel. Vintage charm, antique or time-worn pieces that bring history and authenticity. Key features: neutral color palette is soft white, cream, beige, warm grays, and muted pastels. Natural textures used reclaimed wood, linen, cotton, burlap, and galvanized metal. Distress finishes furniture with tipped paint or that wood or patina to give an aged, soulful look. Antique accents use vintage clocks, enamel, old mirrors, and rustic sign. Common furniture and decor items: farmhouse tables with turned legs, wooden benches or vintage chairs. Use open shelving and hatches. Also use mason jars, old pitchers, or milk jugs used as vases. Use oven baskets and galvanized tubs for storage. Lace curtains or crocheted table runners. Mood and atmosphere. The mood is homely, peaceful, and nostalgic, like stepping into your grandmother's countryside kitchen or a cozy cottage on a quiet morning. There is an emphasis on simplicity, authenticity, and warmth. Styling tips: mix old and new. Pair a modern sofa with a vintage wooden coffee table. Use layered textiles like throw blankets, ruffled cushions, or linen slip covers. Add floral or gingham patterns to evoke a soft, romantic country touch. Display heirlooms or flower market finds with pride. Emotional feel. Vintage farmhouse decor tells stories of simplicity, family, craftsmanship, and connection to the land. It is not just a style, it is a feeling of comfort, nostalgia, and authenticity. Let's go deeper into the world of vintage farmhouse style home decor. Not just how it looks, but how it feels, lives, and tells a story. The soul of vintage farmhouse style. At its heart, vintage farmhouse decor is about embracing simplicity, authenticity, and a sense of homegrown beauty. It celebrates the imperfections that comes with age: the weathered table, the faded quilt, the soft crack of wooden floors, each one whispering a memory. This style feels honest and grounded, a reminder of slower days when everything had a purpose and was made with care. Deeper design elements, colors that comfort. The palette is calm, cozy, and time-worn. White softened by age, like cream, ivory, or buttermilk. Use gentle grays, warm tubes, and faded chess greens. Accent of pale blues, dusty pinks, or mustard yellow. This color echo old farmhouses where paint gently faded under years of sunlight. Materials that tell stories. Every material carries texture and memory. Wood, reclaimed beam, burnt roads, and furniture made from old boards. Metal, iron hooks, tin pitchers, wooden lanterns, or galvanized trays. Textiles use linen, burlap, cotton, crochet, and lace for softness and warmth. Ceramics, chipped enamel mugs, pottery bowls, and old milk jugs. Furniture with character. Vintage farmhouse furniture feels useful yet beautiful, like farm tables, window dressers, open shelves, and rocking chairs. Often repurposed or refinished, like an old chair turned into a headboard, makes pages from different eras for a collected of a time look. Details that make it home. Small touches breathe life into the style. Open baskets for storage, old books, and candlesticks on a wooden sideboard. Fresh or dried flowers in mason jars. Soft lighting from table lamps, lanterns, or candles. These details create a feeling that is nostalgic, calm, and heartwarming. The emotional beauty. Vintage farmhouse is not just decoration, it is a lifestyle of appreciation. Appreciation for things that last, for the beauty in age and imperfection, for the connection between home, history, and nature. It evokes the comfort of a grandmother's home, where every object has meaning and love behind it. Modern touches, optional blend. You can give your vintage farmhouse look a modern edge by adding black metal accents or sleek lighting, keeping clutter minimal for an airy feel. Mixing vintage oud with natural modern furniture. This creates a timeless balance, old soul charm with fresh simplicity. Let's go even deeper into the heart and artistry of vintage farmhouse style home decor, exploring its history, feelings, materials, atmosphere, and how it transforms a house into a story-filled home. The heart and history behind vintage farmhouse decor. Vintage farmhouse decor grew from simple rural life, where people made use of what they had: furniture crafted by hand, textiles sewn from leftover fabric, and tools built to last for generations. It celebrates honest craftsmanship in a state of factory perfection. Time-honored beauty, pieces that age gracefully. A slower, simpler lifestyle that follows comfort and memory over trends. Every chip paint layer, every old tabletop tells a story of daily life, family, and care. The emotional tone. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than an aesthetic, it is a feeling. It evokes nostalgia, memories of childhood homes, family gatherings, or cozy mornings by the window. Warmth. Use soft fabrics, gentle light, and the scent of oud or flowers. Paint. The quiet rhythm of country living, where beauty comes from nature and simplicity. It creates a space that says, "Come in, rest, stay a while." Key textures and layers. This style is deeply tactile. Everything invites that. Oud, rustic to strays or reclaimed wood gives soul to furniture and floors. Metal, soft patina or galvanized finishes on buckets, candle holders, or wall art. Fabrics use linen curtains, crocheted runners, and hand-stitched quilt, and ruffled cushions. Use glass and pottery, like old bottles, mason jars, ceramic jugs, and vintage platters. The goal is to build layers of history, items that look gathered over time, not purchased all at once. Light, atmosphere, and mood. Lighting in Venus farmhouse decor is soft, golden, and natural. Windows often left open or covered with shade lace or linen. Lamps, soft glow bulbs, lanterns, and candlelight for a gentle ambience. Daylight, sunlight is spilling over wooden floors and whitewashed walls. It feels like a peaceful morning on a quiet farm, like calm, humble, and comforting. Signature decorative touches add this to bring your farmhouse style to life. Antique mirrors with slightly tarnished frame, own painted sign or hand-painted coats. Use floral prints and botanical illustrations. Use old suitcases, baskets, and boxes for creative storage. Family heirlooms or flower market treasures used in daily life. Each object carries a memory, a texture, or a whisper of the past. The spirit of imperfection. Unlike modern, polished style, vintage farmhouse embraces imperfection. It says, it does not have to be perfect to be beautiful. A little chipped paint, faded color, or uneven texture adds character. It is the opposite or must product. It is soulful, handmade, and real. Living the farmhouse way. To truly embrace vintage farmhouse living, grow herbs and flowers in small pots. Use natural cleaning products with lavender or lemon scents. Cook with wooden spoons and display them proudly. Decorate with seasonal touches like wildflowers in spring, pumpkins in autumn. It is a lifestyle of simplicity, gratitude, and warmth. The philosophy behind vintage farmhouse style. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than furniture and color palettes. It is a way of living that values simplicity, authenticity, and connection to nature. Function meets beauty. Every object is useful yet visually pleasing. Sustainability. Reusing old furniture, textiles, and containers is part of its charm. Storytelling. Each page reflects history, family traditions, or rural life. It is about embracing life's imperfections and celebrating them as character. Layered textures and materials. Texture is central to creating the warmth, tactile atmosphere of vintage farmhouse decor. Wood, rough hewn beams, distressed tables, window dressers, and barn doors. Metal, softly rusted or used iron, tin buckets, and galvanized trays. Textiles, linen curtains, barlap table runners, crocheted towels, quilts, and hand-woven rugs. Glass and ceramics. Use mason jars, vintage bottles, enamelware, and pottery. Layering different textures creates depth, making the space feel inviting and lived in. Light and atmosphere. Lighting shapes the emotional tone. Natural light, emphasized with large windows or shade curtains. Soft artificial light, like warm bulbs, candles, lanterns, and window lamps. Use golden hour glow. The goal is to mimic the serene, calm feeling of a countryside morning or evening. Decorative details. Small objects bring soul and personality, like antique mirrors, clocks, and picture frames. Use vintage signet, ornate crates, and open baskets. Use handmade items like crochet, knitting, or embroidery. Family heirlooms display proudly, blending past and present. This detail gives your home a collected of a time feel, rich in memory and charm. emotional effect. Living in a vintage farmhouse decorated spaces feel like being wrapped in nostalgia, reminds you of childhood homes or simpler times. Comfort and calm encourages relaxation, slowing down, and enjoying the moment. Connection. Every object tells a story, linking past and present, family and home. Lifestyle integration. Vintage farmhouse is not just about looks, it is a lifestyle. Cooking and dining with wooden utensils and rustic tableware. Decorating with seasonal flowers or herbs, keeping spaces practical, cozy, and welcoming to family and friends, using vintage or repurposed items creatively. Reducing waste. It is practical, heartfelt, and soulful, blending beauty, comfort, and memory. Aesthetic principles. Vintage farmhouse style is rooted in simplicity, warmth, and authenticity. Its aesthetic draws from rural heritage inspired by traditional farmhouses and cottages. Handmade and artisanal elements. Its furniture, textiles, and decor often appear crafted or hand finished. Timeless appeal. Avoid fleeting trends in favor of enduring classic pieces. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than aesthetics, it is a way of living. It is nostalgic, soulful style that honors past craftsmanship while supporting modern cozy living. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.